Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, front wheel drive, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.